Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Brown again. All right, so we're going to do a little writing mini lesson now. And the target for today is that you can choose strong words to help your reader picture your story. And so I have written a story here, and I'll just read it real quick and then we can talk about it. It says, "It was a cold day. I sat by the fire with my dog and enjoyed a hot drink, a snack, and a book." And I think I can be more specific. It's kind of, well, blah. It's broad. You don't have a lot of information. So if I look at it and I say, okay, can I say more about the day? Well, I said it's cold, but maybe there's more I can do. Could I say more about my dog? Yeah. How about my drink? My snack? Yeah. And book. What do you think? You don't know a whole bunch. You know it's a cold day, but, is it a cold day in the summer? Is it a cold day in the winter, the spring? What? And what kind of dog is it? What kind of drink is it? It's hot, but that could be almost anything. A snack and a book. I don't give very specific information, do I? So I want to show you how to be precise, okay? So when I talk about my day, it was a cold, I think if I said a fall day, because if you look out my window here, what do you see on the ground? Yeah, you see leaves and a bare tree, right? Sunny, but still you see that. So if I add fall, it was a cold fall day. Do you get a better picture in your head? Yeah. All right. So let's look at dog. Oh, even fire. I think if I wrote hot crackling. Can you see that and hear that in your mind when I add hot crackling fire? Because now you can feel the heat. You can hear the crackling. You know what a fire looks like. Okay, so I included some of the senses. All right, so let's look at this. Let's talk about being precise, okay? So instead of these words, we could write something different. So let's look at dog, okay? What could we write instead of dog? Well, most of my life, I had labs. I had a lab dog or a Labrador Retriever, chocolate lab or a black lab. In fact, I'll write that. Black lab, yellow, or they call it chocolate, but it's really because it's brown. Okay? Now that I'm adult, I have a different kind of dog, and it's a pit bull. And she's the sweetest thing on earth. Okay? And I know some of you have a type of dog named a Chihuahua. Right? There's a couple of you. So instead of saying dog, I could go here and say I'm going to just cross it right out, my pit bull. Okay, now you have a better idea of, is my dog big? Is my dog small? What does it kind of look like? And the reader can make that picture in their head. Okay, let's talk about drink. Now, you know what? A lot of people drink warm milk. Right? Yep. What else might you drink? It could be warm water. And maybe it wasn't warm. What if it was just any kind of drink? Maybe it's orange juice. Now, because it's hot, I could say it's tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. You guessed it. It's hot chocolate. So I enjoyed a hot chocolate Oh, I'm not done. With marshmallows. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's talk about snack. You don't have any idea what kind of snack I'm eating. Well, actually, if you look at my picture, you might. You might be able to kind of see it. There's my hot chocolate. There's little marshmallows, and it's hard to see. Yep. Yeah, it could be an apple. Some people like crackers, like goldfish crackers or Ritz crackers for snacks. Maybe even popcorn. We love a popcorn at night, like a evening snack, like when we're watching a movie. There's lots of snacks. So you can easily describe what kind of snack it is, not just snack. Blah, no one pictures that. So I put apple. They cross out snack. Now, there are lots of kind of books, and I didn't put that on here just because we kind of ran out of room. But is it a picture book? Is it a chapter book? Is it a how-to book? Or it might be something called a novel, which is a large chapter book that adults typically read. There are other ones that are for children also. And so I am actually reading a novel, which as the reader, you might think, oh my goodness, that's a big chapter book. And you're right. Usually novels are a little bigger. And I could write chapter book too. So there aren't any pictures. So when you're doing your writing, how can you be more precise? What could you write? Like instead of dog, could you tell me more specific so I can make a picture in my head? Or if you're talking about something you drank or ate after school, maybe say, I had orange juice and crackers, or hot chocolate and popcorn. Just be more specific. Think about those nouns. Remember, person, place, thing, or an idea. But think about how you could be more specific when you talk about those things. All right, guys. Well, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy your writing. Have fun.